In the midst of all the chaos, there's a rhythm. That dances with the echoes of Hong Kong, hidden among 7 million faces. It gives a breath in this endless motion. It moves through Hong Kong, not as a sound, but as a feeling. Under the shades of red and blue, it flickers and hums, unseen, yet unmistakably alive. It moves with the early shadows before the sun, and lingers in the neon lights that guard the night. It slips through narrow alleys, and drifts between steel towers, unbound to any one place, yet carried in the hearts of its people. It remains unseen to weary eyes, hiding where the world forgets to look. But it's always there, waiting patiently for the ones who care to look back. But when the night takes over, it becomes their guiding light, shining like a beacon of hope, leading them towards the promise of tomorrow. Hey, if you've seen my videos before, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Tushar. I'm a filmmaker who loves creating and sharing travel films like this one. This video was my attempt at making like a travel cinematic film inspired by a few of my favorite filmmakers like Sam Newton, Reilin Joey, Guvi. I think their work is incredible, and I thought, why not create something like this myself? So this was the final video. I genuinely hope you liked it. And now there's something really interesting that I want to share. It's about Artlist. It's a company that I genuinely like, and I've been following them for quite a while now, and I absolutely love what they're doing in this filmmaking world. I just finished watching their Tuvalu film and the storm chasing one, which were absolutely amazing. I really hope I get to create something like this in the future. And in fact, the music and the sound effects that you heard in my video was actually from their platform. All I had to do was literally drag and drop the song into my editing timeline, and within a few seconds I had like an amazing song for my video. And apart from songs and sound effects, they have thousands of stock footages that you can use in your projects right now. Heck, they even got AI image and video generation stuff, which is like so cool, because if you like me who travel and film alone, you know how often you come back wishing you had a few more shots. Now you can literally just create them on your own. So do check them out. They're doing an amazing work, and you can use my links in the description, which will give you 2 additional months free if you choose to get an annual subscription. And yeah, this is all what I want to say. If you made it this far, comment, this channel is amazing, and I'll see you in my next one.